When your expensive 20-volt lithium drill battery suddenly refuses to take a charge and flashes the dreaded defective light on your charger, do not throw it in the trash. The battery is likely not dead at all. Modern smart chargers have a built-in safety feature that refuses to supply power if the battery's internal voltage drops below a specific minimum threshold. If you left the battery sitting in your cold garage all winter, it simply drained past the point where the charger can recognize it. You just need to wake it up. The solution is a straightforward jumpstart using a fully charged battery of the exact same brand and voltage. You are essentially tricking the internal computer by manually boosting the dead battery's base voltage. Grab your fully charged battery and your completely dead one and place them on your workbench. You will need 2 short pieces of insulated electrical wire, stripped at both ends. Carefully insert one end of the first wire into the positive terminal of the good battery and the other end into the positive terminal of the dead battery. Then, take your second wire and connect the negative terminal of the good battery to the negative terminal of the dead battery. Leave them connected for exactly 5 to 10 seconds. Do not leave them connected any longer than that, as you only need a tiny surface charge to trick the system. Remove the wires and immediately place the previously dead battery back onto your smart charger. The base voltage will now be just high enough for the charger's safety sensor to recognize it, and the normal charging cycle will begin. This simple 2-minute bypass saves you from spending over $100 on a brand new replacement, keeping your existing tools working perfectly.